The Naughty Monkey. A group of monkeys was relaxing in a forest when they saw a woodcutter cutting a tree with an axe. After a while, the woodcutter went to have lunch. He covered his axe with a piece of green cloth and left it under the tree. Soon, a naughty monkey came there. He removed the cloth and picked up the axe. Then he went back to the other monkeys and began playing with it. An elderly monkey warned, "It's a dangerous tool. Don't fool around, you might get hurt." But the naughty monkey and his friends took the axe and climbed up a tree. They sat on a branch and began cutting it. They took turns cutting the branch. Soon enough, the branch fell, taking the monkeys down with it. They were hurt and began crying loudly. The elderly monkey said to them, "Had you listened to your elders, this wouldn't have happened." The Monkey and the Carpenter. Once, a group of monkeys lived near a temple in a village. One day, a carpenter was busy splitting wood logs outside the temple. A young monkey was intrigued by the carpenter's work. When the carpenter went for lunch, the young monkey wanted to split the wooden logs. His friend said, "Those tools look dangerous. Keep away from them." But the monkey went to the place where the wooden logs were kept. Then he opened the carpenter's bag and began looking at the different tools in it. When the carpenter finished his lunch, he was surprised to see the monkey fiddling with the tool bag. The monkey didn't know which way to run. In a fit of panic, his tail got stuck under a wooden board. The angry carpenter hit it before rescuing it. The monkey ran back to his friends, who said, "You shouldn't have meddled with other people's work." The Jackal saves his meal. Deep in the jungle, a jackal found a dead elephant, but he could not pierce the elephant's thick skin and eat it. Soon a lion walked by. The jackal said, "Your Majesty, I have been guarding your meal." The lion replied, "I do not eat animals killed by others. Feast on it." The lion went away. The jackal wanted someone to pierce the elephant's skin so that he might eat it. Soon a leopard came there. The jackal said, "King Lion killed this elephant. He has gone to get his family. Feast on it until he returns." "The lion will kill me," said the leopard. The jackal said, "Go ahead and feast on it. I will signal when he is near." The leopard had barely bitten into the elephant's flesh when the jackal signaled that the lion was approaching. The leopard sprinted away. The jackal sat down and enjoyed his meal. The Partridge and the Hare. Once a partridge lived under a tree in a beautiful house. One day, while searching for food, he found a field full of grains. He stayed there eating to his heart's content, and returned after a few weeks. While the partridge was away, a hare had occupied his house. The partridge asked him to go away. The hare said, "The house always belongs to the occupant." They fought for a long time and finally decided to go to the learned cat to solve their problem. On listening to the partridge and the hare, the cat took advantage of the situation. She said, "I am old and I cannot hear you. Come near and talk to me." When they came near, the cat said, "I can barely hear you. Come closer." The partridge and the hare kept going nearer and nearer. At last, the cat pounced on them and ate them up.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.